Why we use the filters? Filter using for to filter the data. If I want to filter the data, I have to select the data. So if you see, I have the organizational data. I want to filter this data for particular department. So what I'll do, I'll have to select all the data in home, sort and filter, and apply a filter. Right now, there are a couple of departments we have in filters. Now you can see we have a department list. I want to filter out the department which start with a C and end with a D. I will select the data and apply the filter. I will open the drop down of department, go to the text filter and select custom filters. In custom filters, you will be able to find two different drop down and boxes. So these boxes are for the input and this drop down for the parameters. So I will select the parameter begins with. I want to select the data which is begins with C and ends with D. If I click OK, you can see the list has been filtered which is begin with C and ends with D. But apart from CED and CCD, there is another one value has been added, CMCD. So what I want to filter out the department which is begins with C, ends with D, but there is only a single character in between that. So if you see number 3, CMCD, it begins with a C, ends with a D, but there are two characters in between, MC. However, number 1 and number 2, it begins with C, ends with a D, but there is only single character in between that. I will select the data in department, text filter, custom filter, and I will apply filters begins with. Okay, I will type begins with C and end with D. I want there should be a single character in between that. So I'll provide a question mark. Now it says that it should be begins with C and there is a D, but in between that there is a single character. So when I apply OK, I can see the CMCD has been excluded and only CED and CCD are visible. So in that way, you can apply the filter. For this kind of tips, subscribe our channel, share with your friends and like it if this is helping to you. Thank you very much. We'll meet in next video.